Hello, welcome to Modern Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Colombian Walkaround, sometimes also known as a circular Colombian. Now, it's going to be really useful if you already know how to do a first move. That one you kind of have to know. And any other Colombians, so normal Colombian or a Colombian in back or a Colombian seducer, would be really helpful as well. Because this is it's kind of a step on from those, and the entrance to doing a Balboa cross is something that's going to come up as well. So if you've got experience in those, fantastic. I will stick links in the description below so that you can find those things if you want to go off and learn them if you don't know them already, but you will have everything you need to know right here. So what does it look like? Looks like this. Go 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. Most people look at a Colombian for the first time and go, crikey, that seems very, very fast. And in actuality, you're taking 2 steps on every count, which is actually what you do in a normal first move. If you watched a normal first move and counted the steps, you would be going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's exactly the same speed as normal, but people often think it's fast because they are thinking about each step. Okay, so first off, we need to do the Colombian steps on our own. And we're going to do them in a straight line to start with. So if you stand with a little bit of space to your right, all we're going to do, wait on the right, turn to the right, step forward on the left. Then we square up back to the front, bring the right through, and then we continue turning to the left and bring the left behind. And we start turning to the right, and we square up onto the right, keep turning right, step forwards onto the left, squaring up, last one this time, keep turning, go behind, we rock back onto the front foot, so we're changing direction, so now we're heading off to the left. And this is the actual direction that we're going to be needing for this move, unless you do the mirror version, in which case of course you'll need to be able to go the other way. So we square up onto the left, turn to the right, we go behind with the right. Square up onto the left, so we're turning left, go across in front with the right. Last one, we go squaring up, behind, rock, step, behind, and in front, and 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 behind. Okay, so now we have a little bit of Colombian footwork going on. We're going to put it together with a partner. So it starts exactly the same as the first move. We go back, we come in. When we do the twist out, it's going to look like the entrance to a Balboa cross, because we're going to twist the lady out as usual, but the guy is going to go back on the right, so he steps back on his right foot, and as he brings the lady forwards onto her left to start her doing the next step, guy's going to put weight onto his left, turn the lady to her left, and we're all going to step through the middle on the right foot. And we want a nice strong frame for this. So guys, thumb into lady's thumb, got fingers curled around, ballroom grip, right hand on the shoulder blade, ladies, nice firm contact into the shoulder, nice V onto the muscle coming off the top of the guy's shoulder, and we step through onto that right foot. So we've got to turn the lady in and pull it into our right hand side. So that's our step across in front. Keep heading past your partner. So ladies, you keep moving forwards, guys, you keep moving forwards. We stop briefly facing each other. That's our step square, but we continue around in the same direction. So guys, we're still heading over to the left. Ladies, you're still heading over to your left as we turn and we go behind. And then we step square, and then we go in front and we step square. You could do this as many times as you like. Behind and in front and behind. Now, the trick to this is off the ladies step behind, and the guys for that matter, we just take the left hand through the middle over the lady's head and we lead a return. And the energy for that, depending upon how your frame's working out, may be to send the lady away from you, maybe to leave her on the spot and the guy to move back, or it may even be to send the lady down the line into a travelling return. So return of any variety is going to be good. So let's put some numbers to it. We go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, step in front 4, and behind 5, and in front 6, and behind 7, and in front 8, and behind 1, and we're going to lead our return from there, 2, and back 3. So let's try to count. Here we go. 5, 6, Colombian Walkaround. We go a back, in, twist, and in front, behind, in front, behind, in front, behind, return, and back. And it's as simple as that. Obviously, how many times you go round is up to you. How many steps you want to take is up to you. My advice would be, don't do it for too long because you'll get dizzy. And the other thing is, I would try picking something in the music so that you're kind of keying it to something that happens. So if you go into the Colombian on a change in the music and then exit as it changes again, it will feel really nice. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, make sure you don't miss another video. And to be fair, this particular move, we've got a couple of variations coming up. So there's things like a lazy man Colombian walkaround, and also you can do the walkaround Colombian and back, which is quite good fun. And if you've liked, subscribed and hit the bell, you'll get a notification when those videos come out. Music recommendation on the end for something to practice to that would be good for this. And as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.